It's review time, y'all. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready to be reviewed?
So we're going to be reviewing this blue, how do you say this?
Curacao.
Curacao.
It's Curacao.
Curacao. I say Curacao. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Blue.
Curacao.
This is from Cocktail Artists and it's inspired by an award-winning mixologist, Marv Cunningham.
Wow, we see you. So we're gonna be making the cocktail that's on the bottle. We're gonna make it for you, and then we're gonna taste it for you, and we're gonna let you know if it's delicious or not.
So the cocktail is called Bahama Rock, and the best part about it is that it's thirsty blue.
Ooh, our colors.
They're colors. Do we taste it first?
So,
No, because who drinks blue Curacao?
no,
by
ew,
itself?
gross. No.
Yeah. It smells really good. So if you don't know, blue Curacao is like an orange liqueur. This, however, does not have alcohol in it. It would be nice if it had alcohol in it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, we're thirsty.
Major key.
But it does smell really good. So there's hope.
No.
My pour spout doesn't fit. That's okay. I'm gonna show. Be careful.
So for this recipe, we're gonna be muddling 3 lime wedges and 3 cucumber slices.
Get it. Get it, girl.
Why do I get the most annoying part?
Okay, you are putting in some serious work.
I gotta muddle these cucumbers, y'all.
Like,
These are some thick cucumbers. Somebody cut them really thick.
she in there.
Sam. And that's how you muddle.
Next, we have 2 ounces of orange vodka. And then 3/4 of the Cocktail Artist Blue Curacao syrup. The recipe on the bottle says to double strain. You want to make sure to catch all the little cucumber seeds that are in your cocktail. These are not fun to drink when you're sipping on your cocktail. We're gonna garnish it with a cucumber wheel.
Yeah.
And there you have it.
Gorgeous.
Cheers. Cheers.
Wow. Wow. I actually really like it.
You drink really fast.
You know what? I always think of blue curacao and I'm just like, why?
Like,
I'm not like a fan. But this is actually really refreshing and delicious. So I'm not mad at it. I'm actually surprised because I didn't think it was gonna be this good.
wow, Marv, you freaking killed it.
I taste the cucumber. It's so good.
It's really well balanced
This
with the
is-
citrus and the cucumber.
It's really good.
I
This
love
is
it.
The official thirsty cocktail.
We're stealing your cocktail.
Sorry, Marv.
You shouldn't have made it blue. I hope I'm saying that word right.
Curacao.
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 If we're saying this wrong,
Let us know.
we're gonna get disowned by all bartenders. You know what I'm saying?
I think we're saying it right.
Okay, that's how I say it. So.
I have hope. I have hope.
Do you? Okay, here we go. 3/4